Welcome back to the channel. So in this one we're going to be taking a look at the twin turbo exhaust kits you may have seen on Mark Bryan's RC channel. They were initially designed for a 911 RSR, but as I haven't got one of those, I've decided on putting them on the RX-7, as you can see. So first of all, let's go over what you get in the kit. You'll get the exhausts themselves. These are printed with a red intake, but if there are any other colours you want, send me a message beforehand and I'll see what I've got. For example, we've got some blue ones here. You also get two mounting brackets to mount the exhaust onto the main bracket. You get 8 M3 by 10 button head bolts to mount all that up, and also some M4 by 20 with nylocks and washers to mount that to the actual chassis. We're going to use blue ones for the purpose of this video because red ones are actually going off to America. So the first thing you're going to want to do is start fitting the exhaust to the brackets themselves. There's two brackets, and if you line them up so you've got the single slots away from each other, that will be that exhaust. I would advise for now just put one bolt in the back because you're not too sure how high or how low you're going to have it set. For the RX-7 I've actually had them sat quite high up, so we're going to go with the bottom hole around the middle. Take our bolt, put it in. You don't need to do it majorly tight at the moment because we can adjust it. That's one done. As I say, if you find out that you're going to have it sitting low enough that you can get both bolts in, then carry on and get both bolts in. Can't really see, there you go. So if you can see that you can get both bolts in and carry on, get the other bolt in as well. If not, one will support it fine, it's not particularly heavy. We'll do the same for the other one. Once you've got both of those fitted in place, you can now get them onto the main bracket. Now the bracket goes around this way, so this will be the back of the car, this will be the front of the car. As you can see, you can either have them pretty close to each other, or you can use the outer holes and have them quite far apart. So on Mark's, he's had them in the close position, which I'll put a picture up. Around the RX-7, I've gone from further apart. Once you've got them both fitted, you can see there's actually a fair bit of adjustment in this, so you can bring them further out. You can even angle them as well, all depending on what you're fitting them to. And it's just a case of finding where you want them and just tighten up the screws. Now remember, you're going into plastic, you don't need to over tighten them. There's no weight, there's no real tension or pressure on any of it. So just tighten them up so it don't move, and that's it. Now it's time to fit them on the chassis. It's actually pretty easy. And just to show you again the amount of adjustment you've got, obviously sitting higher on the right, lower on the left, how much further they can stick out. So now let's get them on. All you need to do to fit them is take your main bracket, place it over the top. It's a nice fit, just go straight on. Take the M4 bolts, put the bolt through the hole, wind it in a few times, fit your washer, fit your nylock nut, and then tighten it up. There we go, simple as that, all nice and tight. So, plenty sturdy enough, and that's just with one bolt holding the turbo onto the bracket, and then one bolt holding the bracket onto the main bracket. There we go. So if that's something you're interested in, the link will be in the description. They'll be up on eBay. If you do want any other colour than the red, message me beforehand, as I say, and I'll see what I've got. And that's it for that video. So if you do want to get one of these, put a little scale twist on your car, link will be in the description. Comment, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And I'll see you in the next one.